Strong experiences often forms a strong ego, but the fate of such ego is collapse. So let it all become the sacrament of returning to true humility. Let all of our experiences and stories that we hold on to become a ripe impulse to drop ourselves into infinity of being, into infinity of life, and truly accept it as such. How simple then everything becomes when we move together with the constantly renewing reality of present moment. But the more we cling to our created statuses and biases, the more we gonna experience ourselves as structures that goes through painful death, and that process will accelerate. But the more we choose to be in our pure awareness, the more we represent true spiritual rebirth and vitality. And this spirituality is not tied to any particular ideas, stories, or ways of life. It is just common general awareness of unindivisible unity, oneness, which lives harmoniously as boundless all that is.